Welcome to my tutorial or how-to on creating a Flask based website using Python and Flask micro web framework. As you can see, I've already typed up our HTML files here, which I'll explain. Basically, we're starting out. I'm going to be building ThaCorner.com. I've already got a basic site up now, but I'm going to redo it using Yahoo's pure CSS template. I've been going over it. I actually like it. Light framework. Looks pretty good. So, okay. Basically here, the template file is just, obviously it's a template. I've got, I'm going to use HTML5. In our header, I'm referencing the CSS file for pure. Block header, this is being used. Basically, if I want to change my reference files or even CSS for a particular page, I can do that. This is going to stay the same. This is just my menu options. Right now I just hard-coded these in. Later we'll probably pull them from a database. If you go to, I think it's purecss.io, I think, you can look at the pure CSS files. How to. Basically, I'm just using their structure to create our menu here. The end result looks like this. What we're looking at. Obviously, I've got some spacing here that I've got to do, some padding, or margin heights. Okay. And then down here, block body. This is another block, just like the header. This can change based off of our file. Looking over, this is our home page. As you can see, we have to extend template.html. Block header, this is space that out. This is the header. Obviously, I've got the title right there. You can see title up here, kind of. Chrome kind of cuts it off. Corner movie news. What we can do is say we wanted to change this. This was just, say we were just doing movie news. We save it. We're going to pull up our website again. As you can see, it changed up here, movie news. Alright, and this is our body. Once again, using pure CSS structure. I just threw in some content. We'll be loading. This will probably stay static, but obviously here I'm talking about the new movie Riddick. It just came out today. And then when we run it, got some, like I said, padding issues that'll show up here. I've got some placeholder images right now. And as you can see, the pure CSS gives us a nice clean. I didn't do much here. Got it highlighted. Okay. This is the Python scripting side. Very basic right now. And it's kind of an intro review of what we're doing. Obviously, I looked over a layout on pure CSS to mimic theirs and copy it. Feel free to do the same. Again, the only interaction we're having with Python right now is the templates here. Our main template, our header, our body, creating the blocks, and then over here, whatever's in block header, which is going to be header information. Right now I've only got a title. We can do meta tags, CSS reference, Java reference, which we will do, and then our body tag, obviously, whatever information we want to put in here. There's a lot of formatting for a couple paragraphs essentially for right now. And we got to end the block, and all this, you know, gets you this. So next time we'll reference the CSS, and I'll get this fixed to where this has got better spacing. This is just the default from pulling down from pure CSS. Now at the Flask portion, it's going to be simple. I've already got it installed, so we're just going to set it up here. We need to import from Flask, render template, define our app variable, Flask, and we need our route. This is the home page. Define home page. And then we need to be able to run this. Run to enable debugging in our development. And that's it. All we're doing right now is returning the home page that we just built in our notepad. And we will save this and run it here. Okay, another thing that we need to remember is when we save a Python script file, it's in the root of our directory, and then we have a folder called templates, which is where our HTML files will go. Index is our home page that we worked on, and template is probably going to be the HTML file we use for our entire project. Obviously, we're going to expand on our directory structure, but for right now, as we start out, this is the only folder I will need. And because we have a very basic structure right here. So on our next video we will be adding to this static folder with local CSS and JavaScript folders and files, and obviously our images. We will need to store local images as well.